Hi and welcome to Bikerheadz. My name's Ed and this is the Falco Kaspar boot. Okay, so this is Falco's classic engineer's boot. So that means if you've got full grain leather running around the whole product, nice brass additions. I'll talk you through a few of those features, but first of all, it's a fully CE approved boot made in Europe. So you're getting high quality, abrasion resistance, burst resistance, all and water resistant sole, and also a crush resistant insole. So the bike does fall on you, your foot's going to be safe inside this product. On the exterior of the boot, as I say, you've got this beautiful distressed brown, or you've got the standard black colourway here as well. Both available at bikerheadz.co.uk if you want to have a look at them. Come around the back here, you've got a double overlay leather on the heel, high wear area there, so you've got an extra layer of leather. Running around to the front, you've got these brass rivets, high-end, high-quality materials, and then brass eyelets all running down the laces. Running around the front of the boot here, you can see you've got a double overlay of leather again on the toe area, again another high wear area. On the inside, you'll notice you've got brass rivets all down the laces again, and on the inside you've got a zip here. That's important. On the front of this product, for aesthetic reasons and adjustment reasons, you've got these laces. So once you've done those laces up, got it nice and tight on your foot so where you're comfortable, you then leave the laces alone. That's done. You've got a zip on the inside to get in and out of the boot. That's hidden on the inside so you don't ruin that aesthetic on the outside. So zip to get in and out of the product down here, so it's super easy to get in and out of, and then the double layer heel leather. Got a pull tab on the top just to help you get it on a little bit more, so it's really easy boot to get in and out of, easy to live with every day. If you come back around to the inside of the boot, you've got a camo lining. Again, something you notice with Falco boots is they're not skimping on the lining, they're not saying just chuck a black one in there, they're putting a high quality camo lining in there that looks nice to the eye, because when putting your boot on, it is important that you feel good about the boots you're wearing. Running around to the sole, high grip sole again, perfect for use on motorcycles. If you do get quiet in the rain, you're going to grip nicely on this boot. So that's the Falco Kaspar boot. If you want to go down to your local dealer and try a pair on, it's no problem at all, or go to bikerheadz.co.uk to check out the two colourways. Pick up a copy of the brochure at your dealership or download it on the website. And again, for any more information, go to bikerheadz.co.uk and like and subscribe below.